for the first step, Morimoto suggests that you reuse your existing hardware for your Nismo front bumper. However, we didn't have that, so we had to source our own. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the daytime running light and insert it into the fog light location, take our sourced hardware, and we're gonna thread it in by hand just to make sure everything lines up properly. All right, and then we're just gonna tighten them up. What's that, 10, 12? What sizes do you use? We'll tighten it in. All right, now we got those nice and tight. Once you have the daytime running lights bolted into the bumper of the car, we're gonna get to hooking them up. So what's gonna happen is, as you can see, you're given these connectors and harnesses from Morimoto, and we already have the XB Evo headlights installed in the car. We actually have an install video on that as well, so be sure to check that out. So once you have your daytime running lights bolted into the bumper of the car, it gets time to installing them with the rest of the headlight assembly. Already have our hybrid Evos installed, and so what we're gonna do is unplug the harnesses from the headlights, power switch, as well as the other daytime running lights. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the daytime running lights running from the fuse box, we're gonna plug it into the connector, and then you're gonna have these two split ends. One of these is gonna go back into the headlight, and then the other one is gonna go back into the daytime running lights. So we're gonna plug that in, back up here, leave that down. Then basically match up the connectors. So this one's gonna go back into the headlight, like this. It's gonna clip in, and then this is gonna go into the other daytime running light connector. And then what you're gonna have is the harness for the daytime running lights themselves. So we're gonna carefully bring the bumper back to the car. You're gonna have this connector will plug into here, just like that. And then the final connector, we're gonna take the stock fog light harness and plug it into the daytime running lights, like that. All right, and now I would say, because everything is plugged in, before you bolt everything up, fasten it, and get everything out of the way and tidy up, make sure just to check, make sure everything works. So we're gonna do that right now. All righty. How are we looking? So again, it's a super easy install, plug and play. I mean, I don't even know, it takes 10, 15 minutes. So once you check to make sure everything works, do the same thing, repeat the same steps on the other side, put the bumper on, and then you're good to go. Super easy install, plug and play, takes, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. But yeah, that's how easy it is to install Morimoto daytime running lights on a 370Z. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on which how-to videos you want us to do next.